Hello everyone, I am Maulerant, and I have been a VTuber for almost 3 years now, and I'm going to help you start as well as avoid mistakes I made when I first started. Disclaimer, these are my own experiences I'm sharing, and everyone has their own journey, and it leads into my first point. Don't compare yourself to other VTubers. It's one thing to take inspiration, but if you're crawling their socials and seeing numbers higher than yours, and yes, it will happen, it'll only be another mental block that builds until you just don't want to stream anymore. I've seen many VTubers pack it in just because of numbers, even though they say they enjoy it. Which leads into point number 2. Learn to like streaming. Sitting in front of a computer for hours on end is one thing. Being energetic and entertaining while also playing a game is something entirely different. And chat will know when you're not having fun anymore. I've been there. You finally find the will to stream after who knows how many days, and the empty chat causes you to drone on, or worse, go silent. And then you just play the game. You're not saying or interacting with anything, not reacting, not even commenting on what you see. It's easy to do what you enjoy instead of doing another chore. But Maulerant, how do I like streaming? I hear the voices in my head say. Well, to answer them, which is totally healthy, it's simpler than it looks. Stick to what you enjoy, and if you stream games, for example, pick your favorite game. Play it on repeat. Talk about it endlessly. Every bit of trivia you have, throw it to your chat and watch them eat it up. If chat's not responding, then just talking about the game will also incentivize new viewers to stick around by showing that you're present in your own stream. Next, cut down on streams if you're in a slump. Doing the same thing over and over is tedious and boring. Mix it up by taking a break or trying one of your other hobbies, or by learning a skill that you've been putting off to make room for your stream schedule. In my free time, I practice guitar and am currently learning how to draw. I think I'm getting pretty good at it, to be honest. Up next, and this is a major one and completely against most of what you will see on YouTube. Do not focus on affiliate. I know, follow me. So, many people want affiliate right away, which makes sense. You want to get paid to stream, and it starts with getting affiliate. However, the starting point of streaming is where you need to make healthy stream habits, otherwise you'll reinforce the negative ones early on. Here's what I mean. Most people start with a full-time stream schedule. This only hurts you in the long run. You don't have time to deal with your VODs or your clips after streaming for 8 to 12 hours, much less the will to do so. You're also ruining your affiliate analytics and pushing the goal further and further away. On Twitch, you have to not only have the follows, but also the viewers to a certain percentage within 30 days. The more you stream to an empty chat, the harder it is to hit that analytic. And not getting the affiliate within a month is where I see a large portion of VTubers and streamers fall off. Instead, build healthy habits. Make a stream schedule, maybe 3 to 4 days. Keep your streams to 2 to 4 hours per stream. In between, focus on making videos on YouTube. Edit your clips into short form content for YouTube and TikTok. This will boost your engageability and help other people find you, and hopefully direct them to your Twitch or wherever you stream. Up next, learn how to read your YouTube analytics and optimize your video's SEO. What I mean by this is that in order for people to find you, they have to search for something. And if you just throw any arbitrary title in, you're not going to rank. Pure and simple. The title has to be engaging, but it also has to be keyword rich. Learning how to do this and making it second nature will save you hours of work in the long run, rather than trying to figure it out after you've got something to build, meaning after you hit affiliate. Next, talk to other streamers and work out collabs, as they are the best way for streamers to get their name out. It is essentially free advertising for the cost of just hanging out with someone for a couple hours. Now, this other point is going to be kind of counterproductive. Again, stick with me. You made it this far. Take breaks. You're not a machine or AI, even if your model is. Don't be smart. You need breaks, and what most won't tell you is that it's okay to take breaks. Your return viewers will still be there, and heck, chat might still be just as active as before you left, but you need to keep liking the stream. If it's a drag or it fills you with anxiety to hit the go live button, it may be time to hit vacation mode on your schedule or do something else for a bit. And there's nothing wrong with that. Up next, leverage AI. Now, I do not mean AI art. Everyone calm down. Get your pitchforks down. Okay, what I do mean is AI that automates your tasks. For me, I use a site called Buffer and sit down every Monday for 4 to 5 hours, scheduling a week's worth of content that automatically posts to YouTube, Twitter, and Blue Sky at a specific time. Leveraging AI in this way is not only ethically better, but will also make things so much easier for yourself. And if you can develop a pipeline that suits your needs and keeps you on task, that can only help you. Now, I have a bonus point for you. Do not see people as numbers. Now, I'm giving you this point for free, but it might also be the biggest part of this whole video because it is so prevalent in not just VTubing circles, but streaming circles altogether. We're all humans behind the screen. You'll match with people on socials with numbers all over the place. These numbers do not dictate quality. Instead, focus on making lasting connections that transcend the numbers. Embrace each other's victories and pull each other up from devastating lows that come with this hobby or career, whatever you're doing. I've been lucky and have met many amazing streamers that both lift me up and take part in my content, all of which are bigger and smaller than I am. And I stick with them because of who they are on a fundamental level. It's not always going to match, and that's not a failure. But you have to not see numbers and treat people as people. Get to know them, play and hang out with them, reach out to collab. It's not that hard. Honestly, the worst they'll say is no. And I mean anyone. Partners and professional streamers are no better than you are. Just follow their rules on how to reach out and take that step. Some people are okay with a Twitter DM. Other people prefer using a contact email. Even fewer say to reach out through their agent. Whatever their means are, get the message sent. I cannot promise you success, but I can promise honesty. I made all of these mistakes and many more not covered here. Remember that it's your journey and it's going to play out in its own way. Ride with it, vibe with it, and don't give up. Remember to take breaks, drink your damn water, and get back to it. Eventually, success will find you. I've been Maulerant, and thank you for watching.